What is the challenge of installing the PoE switch outdoor? I would say the first thing is the temperature. The temperature could go up very quickly in summer after the sun rises up. It will be cooking your switch and making the environment go over 55 degrees. Most of the switches are designed to sit in the control room with AC, so it's important to choose the switch which can stand right range temperature. The next thing is the surge protection. Even we can set up the lighting row to avoid the direct lighting heat, there are still many surges in the environment which may pick up by the internet cable and stream back to the switch. The last but not least is the waterproof. The water can leak back to the switch and destroy the electricity PCB board. In this video, I'm going to show how to set up the PoE switch outdoor. This is the outdoor PoE switch, which can work with the right range temperature between -20 degrees to 60 degrees. One of the features is it has the flexible power option. It works with the external power supply like this one, or you can send the PoE power through the PoE injector 100 meters far away. The total power budget will be the 71 watts at the switch, which is enough to supply 4 to 6 cameras. I'm going to use this 95 watt PoE injector, so there's no need to deal with the AC power directly. Alright, now let's just connect the switch and the injector by using this 100 meter cable. First, we are going to pass the internet cable through the waterproof cap. It's the port number 8 which can accept the PoE. Now I'm going to plug the internet cable to the port number 8. At the other side, I'm going to connect the internet cable to the PoE out of our PoE injector. Now I also need to link the injector to our primary network. Opposite side, we can see the AC outlet, which will connect to the AC power. You may want to ask whether it's safety or not by using the AC to send the power. Actually, it's not the AC, because this PoE injector will convert the AC power to DC 48 volt and send through this internet cable. So the power goes through this internet cable is low voltage, it's safe for human. Moreover, the PoE will detect the overload, overcharge, and other abnormal issue automatically and stop sending power if any issue come up. The final step, I'm going to pick up one of the ports and connect to our camera. This is the punch code. So we are going to pass through the cap. Now pick one of the port. Once plugged in, we can see the indicator is turned on. Just wait for a while. Now I can hear the camera making a click sound, which means it's online. This is the motorized zoom camera, so you need a few seconds to zoom in and zoom out to find the best focus. Here we got some extra code we may don't need, so I have searched the plug, insert the plug to block the hole we don't need. Now we can see the camera online. I'm going to run one more test. Remember, I mentioned the waterproof is very important. Here we got the water tank. So I'm going to put this box inside the tank, but before I do that, I need to make sure everything is fastened tightly. Also, you need to put the cover up and the screw. It may take a while for me to put everything already. Please bear me for that. It's quite important to fasten the cover very tightly. Alright, I think we are ready. Just double check, make sure the... Okay, sure. It's not enough, but I think it's pretty much. It's thinking. Camera is still working. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to subscribe us. Any question with this Outdoor PoE Switch, please leave us a comment below. Thank you.